So we live in a modern age, and considering most jobs involve technology, I think computer technology and program stuff should be taught to all grade levels and should probably be like a requirement for graduation.
I believe that all the technology that Woodside has brought in the last year is very beneficial for every student and a great way to learn.
So I really like how we have more technology at this school because it's like really accessible, and at my old school it was really hard when we had like assignments and such, and it was like not as easy.
So the new technology at Woodside makes our campus look modern, pretty expensive, so it gives us easy access to editing photos and videos.
It also makes our schoolwork a lot easier, so we can like easily look up things that we need to know.
I'll say that over. This is my 9th year at Woodside, but I've been teaching the animation and computer programming courses here for about, I guess this is my 4th year. Well, we've had animation here at Woodside and web design and things like that for a long time, and we still have students that come into these classes and like to draw and paint and create things without writing any computer code. The new thing is we are also now offering computer coding classes. So in about 7 different classes we have this year about 150 kids writing computer code. We have AP Computer Science, the beauty and joy of computers, where kids are learning to write computer programs, and so that's new. Some students that come into the advanced classes like to do 2- and 3-dimensional animations without writing computer code. Other students want to come in and write computer code all year long. And at Woodside, the kids get a choice. They can do either or, even in the same class.
All right, in my sustainable design class, we pretty much learned how to use SolidWorks. It's a program that lets you design houses and build floor plans to the way you want them. And you have to do it to scale, so it's like equal. Teaches you pretty good skills.
Well, we have computer programming games. So for instance, this is an example of a computer program. And so this is a game some of my students are working on right now, and they learn the logic of how to solve problems. This game is called a flocking game, and there's just different pieces. This is a little flock. These little orange triangles flock together, and this other ship, we move it around with the keyboard, and if we want to, it can shoot bullets, and if it hits these little yellow mines. So there's a lot of, what we're really working on in that game is behaviors. We're creating a space where all these different characters have different behaviors, and we're writing the code for that. And it's problem solving, it's fun, it's interesting, and it's using computer code in a fun context. There are students that are graduating from college every year who cannot get jobs, and there are lots and lots of computer programming jobs that go unfilled every year. So there's this weird thing happening where if students graduated from college with a degree in computer science, they would certainly get a job, because I think the stats are something like there are 3 jobs right now available for every student graduating with a degree in computer science. Our companies are desperate. In fact, we have 4 companies that send programmers here to Woodside to help teach our computer programming courses. Actually, last year we had 4. This year I think we have 8. So companies are desperate to find young people who can write computer code, and they're jobs that pay very well. And if you're interested in problem solving and logic and like solving problems with your mind, it's a great place to at least investigate. I would encourage every student at Woodside to take at least one computer programming course.